Running a business, it's tough work. It requires hours of dedication and usually takes more time from its owner by being a constant source of concern. Why do you want to start a small business? Starting your own business requires commitment, so don't proceed to do so unless you are prepared for long hours and frustration while you are establishing your business. For many, enduring this is well worth the potential financial security. If you want to become a successful entrepreneur, then follow your heart and passion. It is vitally important that you enjoy what you do. Why? Because your passion and enthusiasm will not carry you through the tough times. It'll make it easier for you to be motivated to build a successful business. And maybe most importantly, your enthusiasm will be recognized and rewarded by your customers. Beginner entrepreneurs often make the mistake of thinking that strategic planning is something only big corporations do. Seek out advice. You can't know everything and don't expect yourself to. You certainly have specialized knowledge, and that is your strength. Consult expert advice to build your business. Seek legal advice from attorneys you trust and learn about customer service from experts. Gathering expert advice outside of your area of knowledge will help you eliminate any startup mistakes that set you ahead of your competition. Marketing is only advertising the product, it also involves several other things. Always be ready with various innovative marketing ideas to boost sales. No matter how many years of expertise you have in the industry or in the area, always be a learner. Be open to accept and adapt changes. Never be afraid to take risks. Do not fear failure. It's another popular rule of motivation. The more you become afraid of failure, the more you will lose your chance to succeed. So take risks and remain motivated. Be eager to learn. The willingness to learn goes a long way within paving the path of business. Motivation. Again, learning alone does not help you succeed. You need to apply in reality whatever you learned in the due course of time. You must need to start with sufficient capital. An entrepreneur will usually save up enough money to start their business, but fail to consider the expense during the lean growth years. Many exhaust funds just at the time the business begins to grow. One of the business mistakes that could break your business is not having sufficient capital for the first 3 years of the startup. Are you using social media? More and more businesses are moving to social media because their prospects are on social media. Only about 55% of small businesses are using social media to build their business. So creating a presence on social media will give you an edge. You must need to have clear business mindset before you step in business industry. Once you enter successfully, then you can make huge amount of money from your business. Thanks for watch and you sports.